Today I want to talk to you about fractions as one whole. We've really been talking about this for a bit. Let me do the easy part first. You have a shape. How many pieces did I break it into? There's my one whole shape right here. One whole shape. How many pieces is it broken into? 1, 2. So what's my denominator going to be? It's going to be 2. This side is 1 out of the 2. This side is 1 out of the 2. If I shade them both, how much is shaded in? Well, 2 halves are shaded in. But really, when we look at it, we're like, well, duh, the whole thing, Mrs. Herneisen. 2 halves equals 1 whole. We know that when you break something in half, this and this, you put it back together, that makes the whole thing that you started with. Here's the easier idea. If the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, are the same, that equals 1 whole. It means the whole thing. Look at this. I'll prove it to you again. Here's 1 whole thing, and I'm going to break it into how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So denominator for each of these pieces would be 4. How much is this? 1/4. How much is this? 1/4. How much is shaded? 1/4 is shaded in. Now I have 2/4 shaded in. Now I have 3/4 shaded in. All right, I have 4/4, or you know what? I have the whole thing shaded in. So the first part that I want you to, you kind of already know this. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, that means the whole thing, okay? So that is the first thing I want you to understand about fractions being a whole. If the numerator and denominator are the same, that's 1 whole.